Orlando has over 100 lakes inside city limits. That is not a natural feature. It is a management responsibility. The stormwater infrastructure protecting those lakes was built for a different era. Today's nutrient loads from rapid urban development have outpaced what that system was designed to handle. And right now, the city has accountability for water quality outcomes with no affordable, deployable tool to meet them. That is where biotech applied research comes in. We produce IBI certified biochar from clean woody biomass and deploy it as a passive water filtration media. No chemicals, no infrastructure, no ongoing maintenance burden. We give stormwater managers a low-cost tool they can put in the water today to start capturing the nutrient load that their existing system was never built to handle. When this works, three groups win. The residents living next to those lakes get their shorelines back. No more algal blooms, no more odors, and no more lost access. The taxpayers, already funding stormwater management, finally have something to point to that shows that their money is producing results. And Orlando's lakes themselves get a fighting chance against the runoff that's been degrading them for years. The pilot runs on a 90-day life cycle, 2 weeks of setup, 8 weeks of deployment with biweekly sock retrievals, and a final phase of lab analysis and reporting. This is a standalone edition with zero permanent footprint. We need shoreline access for 1 to 2 people on 5 scheduled visits. No keys, no credentials, no host staff time required. We will know this pilot was successful when our spent biochar shows a measurable increase in total phosphorus or total nitrogen above the pre-deployment baseline. That's the metric. 10 samples analyzed at an IBI accredited laboratory with full chain of custody. We are not giving you a percent reduction number today because no one has run this study in a Florida freshwater system before. This pilot establishes that baseline. The data we generate here is what future deployments, other researchers, and other industries will build their performance targets from. We know the first question any partner asks: what does this actually require from us today? And the answer is almost nothing. The $5,000 in requested funds covers laboratory analysis, field supplies, equipment, and travel. We bring the biochar, the lab relationship, the field staff, and the final report. The City of Orlando provides shoreline access and a signature, and that is the entire ask. Before we close, I want to address something every responsible partner deserves to hear. We are not introducing chemicals, we are not disturbing the ground, we are not modifying any infrastructure. Our biochar is IBI certified with full characterization data available for review. We follow standard freshwater field safety protocols in every site visit, and when we are done, we remove everything, and the site goes back to exactly the way it was when we found it.